Hello again, it's Janetta with One Stop Life Insurance. We continue our mini-series in discussing life insurance with living benefits and answering some of the most common questions we've received about living benefits in life insurance. Today's topic: what is the actual process of filing a claim to accelerate your death benefit? The first step is you would need to decide if you want to file for a partial or for a full acceleration. Now, before we explain what is partial and what is full acceleration, we want to advise you that some companies may allow only partial and some companies may allow only full acceleration based upon the policy type that you have, state that you're in, or the company's policies in general. So a full acceleration would mean that you would like the entire death benefit accelerated. You would want to receive the maximum payment today, and you essentially are canceling or surrendering your life insurance policy. Partial acceleration, on the other hand, would mean that you opt in to accelerate maybe half of your policy while you still have life insurance in force and some payment today. To decide if partial or full acceleration is best, which option is best for you, you would need to look at your personal situation, your finances, what are your needs, in order to decide which way you should go. After you decided if you want a partial or a full acceleration, you would need to reach out to the company and file a claim. The next step, the company will send you a claims form that you would complete. It's a packet that you would need to advise them what is the condition that you're filing under, what type of benefit you're looking for, partial, full acceleration. Are you filing under critical, chronic, or terminal illness? Afterwards, the company will review that information and request a copy of your medical records. When they review the medical records, the biggest thing that they would look for is your new mortality, your new life expectancy. How is your health condition affecting your life expectancy, quality of life? Those will be the things that they would be looking into. And based on that information, they may make you an offer on the spot right away, or they may even request an opinion from a second doctor to determine your new mortality. Then the company will make you an offer, and in that offer you would be able to accept or reject. You would have 15 days of making the offer to make that decision and accept the offer. Once you do, you sign the acceptance form, you send it to the company, they send you a check. We hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions or would like us to take a look at your personal situation, simply reach out to us. Our contact information would be below. Hope you have a great rest of your day.